Welcome to Spin.AI for Salesforce. Today, we're going to be talking about SpinBackup on Spin.AI for Salesforce. Navigate to the Account section beneath Settings to be greeted with visibility into your automated backup frequency. Here, you can make the selection between 1 or 3 times a day backup frequency, giving you an RPO of either 8 hours or 24 hours. Additionally, storage provider. Spin has partnered with the 3 leading storage providers, Azure, AWS, and GCP. You're able to select one of those 3 storage providers and then one of 4 regions within each storage provider of where you would like your physical data to be stored. Navigate to the Salesforce tab on the left-hand toolbar beneath Backup to be greeted with visibility into your onboarded and protected environments. To navigate the backups of an environment, click into that environment and be greeted with data, files, and metadata. To back up history tables, share tables, or feed tables, make those selections here. To set API limits, select limits and make your selections. To change your full backup day that happens once a week, click in your drop-down menu and make your selections. To navigate the backups of data, select Data. Here, you're being greeted with the most recent completed backup of data. To go through previous versions of your backup, select Version on the top right. Select the Calendar widget and go back in time to your desired backup. Choose one of your 3 auto backups and hit OK. Now you're seeing the environment as it was on that specific day and time. You have additional actionability such as launching a manual backup as well as performing jobs. Here you can run a compare job, restore job, or download job. Let's go through those jobs together. In your jobs section, you're greeted with previously ran jobs, completed jobs, as well as in progress jobs. To perform a new job, select New Job on the top right and select Compare. Now, choose whether you'd like to do a data compare or a metadata compare and select Next. Now choose your environments. Let's say we want to select a production environment and a sandbox environment. Now we're going to select 2 versions, one where the data exists and one where the data does not exist. Lastly, make your selections as to what it is that you would like to compare. For example, we can say account and include child or not include child objects. Finally, select Compare to run the job. Navigating back to our Jobs tab, let's go ahead and select New Job, and this time select Restore. There are a few types of restores that we can perform: a data restore, a metadata restore, or a full rollback. Let's say we're going to do a data restore today. Next, we're going to select Repair Data Loss. And for the source, we're going to say it's our production environment. Now hit Next. Similarly, select 2 versions of backups of where the data existed and where the data does not exist. Now, select whether you want an automated or manual hierarchy of data restore. For example, we can say manual, say that we want to restore the account, and say that we also want to restore a few associated objects as well. Then hit Next. Finally, decide whether you'd like to restore this data to the same environment or cross-restore to a different environment. Once completed, select Next to run the job. Coming to your Users tab, have full visibility into all onboarded users for the onboarded organizations. This is SpinBackup on Spin.AI for Salesforce.